Okay, so this is section 8.7. We're going to be simplifying radical expressions. The previous video was a little intro of working with our radicals. So we're going to do a lot of different things with radicals. We're going to add them, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, and we're going to rationalize denominators. These are all things you guys have seen in your Algebra 1 courses, but we're going to increase the rigor or the completeness. So we've already seen a problem like this, and this is going to be a quick video on writing something in radical form and then simplifying. So if you remember from the intro video, this guy right here is our power. So the numerator is always our power, and the denominator is always our radical. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite this as the cube root of 2 to the 4th power. Well, I don't know what the cube root of 2 is, and remember that this guy is the same as 2 to the 4th and taking the cube root of that. So 2 to the 4th, so the cube root of the 2 to the 4th power is 16. So now that I've gotten that, what I want you to think about is once we get to this step right here, we're going to think, well, what if I had the square root of 8? I would break up 8, and it's the same as 2 times 2 times 2, right? Well, because these two numbers are the same and it's a square, I could reduce by pulling out the square root of 4, which is 2, and leaving a 2 inside. And this would be the most simplified format. I'm going to do the same with 16. Well, 16 is 4 times 4. Now I got 2 of the same number, but because it's a cube root, I'm looking for 3 of the same number. So I got a 2 and a 2, and a 2 and a 2. And actually, the square root of 8 is the same as the cube root of 16. I got a group of 3 2's, so because this is a 3, I can pull a 2 out, and it's 2 cube root of 2. Okay? So we're going to reduce it the same way we would reduce radicals, but because it is a cube root, we're going to look for groups of 3 that are the same, and then we pull out that number.